located amidst the mighty Himalayas in India. Himachal Pradesh is a hilly region featuring small hills, plains and big mountains. Known as the fruit bowl of India and the land of gods, it ranks quite high in the list of tourists' favoured destinations. Himachal Pradesh is a unique state offering pure air, 4 agroclimatic zones. No doubt, this erstwhile summer capital of India has a weather which is considered best for human productivity. Himachal is blessed with 5 perennial rivers, making the land fertile and full of natural resources. India is one of the fastest growing economies in the world, and Himachal is considered a very progressive state, whose per capita income is 25% higher than the national average, and the state boasts of a double-digit growth rate. The state government has laid emphasis on sustainable development, and the state has scored quite well on its balanced growth in social, economic and environment parameters. The state has won many accolades for working towards UN Sustainable Development Goals. This has been achieved by good governance practices adopted by the state. The state is highly visited by the tourists, not just because of its scenic beauty, but also for its cultural heritage. Historical grandeur and warm hospitality of its people. Over the years, the state has successfully transformed its economy from agrarian to industrial in a sustainable manner, armed with good infrastructure, sound economical base, educated and skilled manpower, abundance of cheap power and peace-loving people. The state is now geared to push for industrial growth in big manner, focusing on the sectors and economy suitable for the state's topography. And to achieve all these objectives, we are organizing our first ever Global Investors Meet. This vision of development of the state comes from our Chief Minister, Shri Jairam Thakur. Let's hear his vision in his own words.
नमस्कार। हिमाचल भारत का एक छोटा सा प्रदेश, लेकिन बहुत खूबसूरत प्रदेश, जहां प्रकृति हर जगह है। हिमाचल प्रदेश में इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए एक बहुत अच्छा माहौल है। कानून व्यवस्था पूरे देश में सबसे बेहतर हिमाचल प्रदेश में, और उसके साथ साथ में लोएस्ट पावर टैरिफ हिमाचल प्रदेश में। ऐसी बहुत सारी सुविधाओं के माध्यम से हम सरकार की ओर से आपको सहयोग देने के लिए तैयार हैं। मुझे आपको बताते हुए ये प्रसन्नता हो रही है कि हिमाचल प्रदेश में एक बहुत बड़ा इनिशिएटिव हम अब की बार लेने जा रहे हैं, और इस इनिशिएटिव के माध्यम से एक ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टर्स मीट हम करने जा रहे हैं। मेरा आप सबसे यही निवेदन है, हम मिल करके काम करें, और हिमाचल प्रदेश में आपका अभिनंदन है, आपका स्वागत है। सरकार की ओर से जो भी संभव सहयोग होगा वो आप सबको प्रदान किया जाएगा, और हिमाचल शिखर की ओर बढ़े, ये हमारा एक सपना है। इस सपने को साकार करने में आपका एक महत्वपूर्ण योगदान रहेगा। मैं आप सबको इस ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टर्स मीट में आमंत्रित करता हूं, स्वागत करता हूं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Himachal Pradesh is well connected, and all the 3 airports in the state are just 1 hour flight away from the national capital Delhi. The whole Himachal region is well connected by heli taxis, with more than 60 operational helipads. What's more, all the major business centers are well connected with national highways. The state has identified 8 major thrust areas for attracting investments and is now ready with investor-friendly policies along with investable projects. Agribusiness, food processing and post-harvest technology, tourism, hospitality and civil aviation, wellness, healthcare and Ayush, Indian system of medicines, hydro and renewable energy, manufacturing and pharmaceuticals, real estate and urban development, transport, infrastructure and logistics, information technology, ITES and electronics, education and skill development. The state has also worked on no physical touchpoints for investors by providing time-bound online approvals through single window mechanism. Himachal is rightly called the pharmaceutical hub of Asia, with all the major global players of pharmaceutical sector having manufacturing facility here. The state also boasts of investment in textile, food processing, cement, auto and light engineering, electrical and electronics and FMCG sector. What's more, the state has availability of technically qualified manpower because of the presence of national institutes to help investors in smooth operations. With abundance of raw material, off-season vegetables and exotic fruit cultivation, encouragement to research and innovation, the state is fast becoming the food processing capital of India. Home to His Holiness the Dalai Lama, this hill state attracts 500,000 international tourists and 20 million domestic tourists every year. Himachal has world's second best paragliding site at Bir Billing and has organized Paragliding World Cup in 2018. Both international and domestic tourists throng Himachal for the adventure tourism in air, land and water. Its lush forest covers offer immense opportunities to develop ecotourism. Ideal climate, rich flora and fauna, peace, calm and tranquility, pure air, abundant sunlight and organically produced fruits and plants make Himachal an ideal place for rejuvenation and convalescence round the year. Availability of medicinal herbs, infrastructure and time-tested Ayush treatment, perfected over many centuries, make it a perfect destination for investors to further explore opportunities in developing health resorts. Ayush spas and yoga centers. A power surplus state with robust transmission infrastructure. Himachal Pradesh exports power to national grid. We offer our investors not just affordable power, but also lucrative opportunity to invest in renewable sector. And why not? After all, Himachal has India's 26% hydropower potential, and only 40% of it has been harnessed till now. The state is rapidly moving towards urbanization. With state government's vision to build smart cities in Himachal, there is a huge scope for investors to develop housing solutions, transport and logistics infrastructure. Himachal Pradesh, already a popular destination known for its education facilities and infrastructure, offers tremendous scope for investment in developing world-class educational institutions, research centers, offshore centers of known institutions, residential schools, skill development centers in clean and green setting, The IT and electronics sector of Himachal also presents plenty of investment opportunities as the Himachal government is planning to provide all the public services online with an objective to create a digital Himachal. Availability of cheap, ample and regular power along with salubrious climatic condition make Himachal an investor's haven. To set up IT and ITS industries including large data centers. Time has now come for Himachal to rise and invite investors from all over the globe to come and see for themselves the nature's bounties which Himachal Pradesh has been endowed with, and to set up enterprises in the manufacturing and service sectors of their choice and see their investment multiply in a corner of the earth, in the land which can rightly be called Investor's Haven. Come and see for yourself what Himachal Pradesh has to offer. Be a part of this exciting growth story. Be there on the occasion of the first ever Rising Himachal Global Investors Meet being held at the lovely town of Dharamshala on November 7th and 8th, 2019.